In this video, we will create an assessment using Google Forms, and we will add different types of questions to that assessment. To create our Google form, we first go to our virtual storage, Google Drive. We enter the folder where we want to create the form. We click on New, then we click on More, and then Google Forms. To rename the Google form from Untitled Form, in the top left, we can rename the form. Then we click off of it, and we can see the name of the form appearing at the top. To make the form a quiz, we have to go to Settings, Quizzes, and turn on the Make the Quiz feature. Straight off, that causes total points to appear at the top right of the form. So I'm going to add a multiple choice question. So we click in the Untitled Question area, and we can enter our text. Then I can put the possible answers. So option 1. Then I can click in the space and put the other answer. For this question, I will only enter 2 answers. To choose which is the correct answer, I click on Answer key. I assign a number of marks to the question, and then I select the answer. I can go back to Edit Question and make the question a required question, which means that the student has to answer the question before submitting. Now to add another question, I can click on the plus which says to add question. I'm going to enter another type of question. I'm going to add a short answer question. In the area by question, I will enter the question. It's a short answer question, so possible answers I can list here, and also marks. Then I can click on Edit Question. So the correct answer is the man. Let me go back to Answer key. Note, I can go mark all other answers as incorrect. Now, one of the things I want to point out is that in Google Forms, your answers are case sensitive. So, for example, if the student enters a common T instead of capital T, they will get the answer incorrect. So you have to be very careful when using short answer questions. Alright, so I can add another type of question by adding plus. I'm going to add an essay type question, paragraph, and I make it required. I can go to Answer key, and I can put the number of marks that I want for the question, and I hit Edit Question. So I can see my total is out of 12 with 3 questions. If I want to preview how my quiz will look to my students, I can click on what looks like an eye, and that's how it will look to the students.